Heyo! Welcome to day 3. So I'm on a little break and I'm just gonna take you for a walk on the property. It is still early in the morning, it's 11:30, had breakfast, already had a meeting with the person who I was paired with for presentations, and we did a warm-up session with a group. We had a little riddle that we needed to solve, and now I'm on a little break before my next conversation session. So I figured let me show you around the property. So right now I just walked from there. And that's another, I call it a chalet. And this is the lovely walk that we make to and from the main building. A nice little island with a picnic table. There's even a barbecue where you can grill. Just look at how cute that is. Today is day 3, and the program ends on Friday, making it day 6, probably. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, make it 6. It's lovely little Today is not as sunny as yesterday. It's currently 54 degrees right now. It's a bit cloudy, there's no sun. So I'm really happy that I got to film yesterday because it was really, really nice out. And we shall continue. Sometimes there's horses, little ponies out. This is another one of the chalets. And then you can follow this path to the main building, but I'm going to take you this way so you can see the front. Isn't my name tag so cute? I made it myself. Well, I wrote my name myself. And that's the main building. So for the rest of day 3, we have they're doing a conversation session right now. There'll be another conversation session, and then lunchtime. I don't have the schedule in front of me right now. And then after lunch, we may have a little bit of free time, and then more conversation sessions, debate, and then will lead us into dinner, and then after dinner we have a little bit of social time, and then a group activity, and then we call it a day. Yesterday, after dinner, we had a group activity. We played this game. I don't remember what it's called, but you have different categories. You have a name, an animal, sport, brand, something in this hotel, famous person, and our coordinator, she would give us a letter. We were put into groups with the mentors and the participants, and she would give us a letter, and then we all had to brainstorm and come up with each category, something that started with that letter. And the person that had said something that was unique would get extra points, but if you said something that another group said, you would get less points. So for example, she would say the letter L, so for a name, maybe Lisa. If no one else had that name, 10 points. If someone else had that name, each team would get 5 points. And then for sport, lacrosse, brand name, Lacoste, famous person, Lucy Lou, something in the hotel, a lamp. And then we get points, tally the points, and see who the winner was at the end. Our team was the Vibez. We had second, but we should have had first place. And now I'm back at my building. I have this cute little bridge across the water. Cute little bridge over there. And that's all I have for you for day 3. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.